Sangrongsalo separate village ni Sanmwng Tisawi Ambassa ni DCM Assist Debnath ni Thani Deputation Yapharkha Bru resettlement camp ni Lukurok. Asala koksil samung tubai Bru resettlement camp ni Khorang sadong shaka salkisa ni yagulono ungnani thangai tongo village committee chongwari abuni shikang Bru resettlement camp village rongno sekak jagi hangangke chongwari no delay khlaina ni bagai Yapharkha deputation hanai bor ni Sanmwng gosina harjai gangke financial kotor sobo ongkhornai hanai.
Office of the Sub-Divisional Magistrate that we have submitted one memorandum that is for delimitation to do in our RF extend VC to do new creation of VC at Bruha Parastemi location. So our main theme is that until and unless if the delimitation is not done in our RF extend VC and create the new VC of Bruha Para VC, that means we are not going to cast vote. Totally we are going to means boycott. So this is our main theme. So we are enough population, enough head of the family, enough voters. So we want separate BC. So and additionally, I would like to add is in our Tripura state we have 13 Bru settlement location. Our main theme is that we need separate BC of this 13 Bru settlement location. This is our main objective.
Ambassa ni Anish ni Chini Khorang.